Boston Dynamics is back, and they're about to shake up the AI and robotics world in a big way. If you've been following robotics, you know Atlas, the humanoid robot that redefined what machines are capable of. But lately, Atlas has been a bit quiet. No jaw-dropping backflips, no viral parkour videos, just silence. Well, that silence is about to be broken. Boston Dynamics is gearing up to make Atlas relevant again, and what's coming could redefine industrial robotics as we know it. Welcome back, guys. Alfie here with another mind-blowing update. Boston Dynamics just dropped a major announcement. Atlas is being prepped for trial deployment at Hyundai Motor Group's production sites. It is no longer just a flashy demo bot. It's about to step into real-world industrial applications. So, what's new with Atlas? Why is Hyundai betting on it? And most importantly, could this be the moment that makes Atlas relevant again? Let's get into it. On March 5th, Boston Dynamics dropped a bombshell, a new video showcasing Atlas in a simulated manufacturing environment. This isn't just another demo of a robot doing cool tricks. This is Atlas stepping into the real world, ready to take on tasks that could revolutionize industries. And here's the kicker. By the end of this year, Atlas is set to trial at Hyundai Motor Group's production sites. That's right. The same robot that was doing backflips and parkour is now being trained to work in factories. But this isn't just about moving boxes or assembling parts. This is about redefining what robots can do in industrial settings. So, what's the big deal? Let's break it down. In the video, Atlas is shown selecting specified products and moving them to designated spots using cutting-edge AI technology. It's not just following pre-programmed instructions. It's using advanced AI to recognize components, adapt to unexpected situations, and even rotate 360 degrees to optimize its movements. This isn't your average factory robot. This is a machine that can think, learn, and adapt in real time. The key to Atlas's newfound capabilities is something called sequencing technology. This is an AI solution that arranges task orders to enhance operational efficiency. In simpler terms, it allows Atlas to prioritize tasks, adjust to changes in its environment, and execute complex operations with precision. This is a game-changer for industrial robotics because it means Atlas isn't just a tool. It's a partner. It can work alongside humans, handle unexpected challenges, and improve productivity in ways that were previously unimaginable. But let's not forget the bigger picture here. Boston Dynamics has always been a pioneer in robotics. Since its founding in 1992, the company has pushed the boundaries of what robots can do, from the iconic Big Dog to the Spot robot and, of course, Atlas. But when Hyundai Motor Group acquired Boston Dynamics in December 2020, it marked a turning point. Hyundai didn't just buy a robotics company, they bought a vision for the future. A future where robots and humans work side by side, where automation enhances productivity, and where technology transforms industries. And that future is closer than you might think. Last month, Boston Dynamics announced a partnership with the Robotics and AI Institute, ERRAI, to develop humanoid robots using reinforcement learning. This collaboration is all about improving the natural movement of humanoid robots in real environments and their ability to handle heavy objects efficiently. In other words, they're making robots that move and work more like humans. And when you combine that with Atlas's existing capabilities, the possibilities are endless. But let's talk about what this means for the real world. Zachary Jakowski, the lead engineer at Boston Dynamics, put it best. If Atlas is deployed for simple repetitive tasks like moving parts, it can reduce the burden on workers while enhancing productivity and efficiency. That's a big deal. In industries like automotive manufacturing, where repetitive tasks are the norm, Atlas could be a game changer. It could take on the heavy lifting, the monotonous work, and the dangerous tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on more complex and creative aspects of their jobs. But here's the thing. This isn't just about making factories more efficient. It's about redefining the role of robots in our lives. Atlas isn't just a machine. It's a symbol of what's possible when you combine cutting-edge AI with advanced robotics. It's a reminder that robots aren't just tools, they're partners. They can work with us, learn from us, and help us achieve more than we ever could on our own. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. The deployment of Atlas at Hyundai's production sites raises important questions about the future of work. What happens to the workers whose jobs are replaced by robots? How do we ensure that this technology is used ethically and responsibly? These are complex issues that don't have easy answers. But one thing's for sure, as robots like Atlas become more integrated into our lives, we need to start having these conversations now. And let's not forget the technical challenges. Humanoid robots are incredibly complex machines. They require precise control over their movements, advanced sensors to perceive their environment, and powerful processors to make decisions in real time. Adding AI to the mix only increases the complexity. Atlas needs to be able to process vast amounts of data, make decisions quickly, and adapt to new situations, all while maintaining balance and coordination. This is where the hardware comes in. Atlas is powered by some of the most advanced robotics technology in the world. Its hydraulic actuators give it the strength and agility to perform tasks that would be impossible for traditional robots. Its sensors allow it to perceive its environment in incredible detail, from the texture of a surface to the position of an object. And its AI algorithms enable it to learn from its experiences and improve over time. But let's take a step back and think about the bigger picture. If Atlas succeeds in its trial at Hyundai's production sites, what does that mean for the future of robotics? For starters, it could pave the way for humanoid robots to become a common sight in factories, warehouses, and even homes. It could revolutionize industries like healthcare, construction, and logistics. And it could inspire a new generation of engineers and innovators to push the boundaries of what's possible. But it's not just about the technology. It's about the impact it has on our lives. Robots like Atlas have the potential to make our world safer, more efficient, and more productive. They can take on dangerous tasks, reduce the burden of repetitive work, and help us achieve more than we ever could on our own. But they also have the potential to disrupt industries, displace workers, and raise ethical questions that we're only beginning to grapple with. So, what's next for Boston Dynamics and Atlas? The trial at Hyundai's production sites is just the beginning. If successful, it could lead to widespread adoption of humanoid robots in industrial settings. It could inspire other companies to invest in robotics and AI. And it could set the stage for a future where robots and humans work together in ways we can't even imagine yet. But let's not forget the human element. As exciting as this technology is, it's important to remember that robots are tools, not replacements for human creativity, empathy, and ingenuity. The goal shouldn't be to create machines that replace us, but to create machines that enhance our capabilities and help us achieve more. So, what do you think? Is Atlas about to shock the AI world? And if so, what does that mean for the future of robotics? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in AI and robotics. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.